Hey guys, Jason here from the GMR, and today I'm going to talk to you about our C5, C6 front hub assemblies. Now we have two basic options. We have a street option and a race option, and I'm going to get to that in a few minutes. What I want to show you is I've got an AC Delco stock C5, C6 hub assembly. Now these are not anything special. They are straight from the factory OEM. And as you can see, we have drastically turned this whole style and design and upside down into an entirely new direction. We make everything out of aerospace grade materials, and we have a dual taper roller bearing setup inside of our hub body, making it drastically different than this stock one right here. We have a much thicker flange and a much better snout quote-unquote assembly that gets bolted to your upright. Just to give you a quick comparison, here is a stalker turning, and here is our front hub assembly. Now, the benefits of this hub are a little bit more in depth than just a straight hub that bolts on. Companies like DSC are bringing out more Ford stuff that utilizes the C6 upright. Our hub already has a Ford pattern in it. What you see on the hub right now is the Chevy pattern. So we can go either route with this specific setup. Now, you might be wondering what's going on as far as bearings and size, etc. Well, let me show you. This is a dual taper roller bearing pack that's out of a Mustang 2 front spindle. It's commonly accepted and widely used throughout the industry with a lot of manufacturers that make hubs, etc. These are the bearings inside this GMR hub assembly. This is our inner bearing versus the Mustang 2 inner bearing, our outer bearing versus Mustang 2 outer bearing. As you can see, our taper roller bearings are a significant difference. Now, to take that a step further, we have also introduced our race series ceramic ball bearing upgrades. These are our true silicon nitrate grade 5 ceramic bearing. Bottom line is, we make the strongest stuff you can buy, period. You're not going to find anything nicer than our race series with our ceramic bearings. Just for reference again, just check this out. So, on top of that, we went with a completely non-corrosive assembly. Every single component is either coated or designed to be non-corrosive, such as our 17.4 stainless steel studs. Again, something else that you don't see commonly, especially with these stock type stuff. Now, we've taken it a step further, and we even make our own tool that goes in for adjustment for your wheel bearings. So in case you want to change this, or when you're doing maintenance of just replacing those bearings, you have a tool that we custom make just for that lock nut, and it's a 1-inch socket. Ironically enough, it matches our rear. So if you buy a complete set, you only have a 1-inch socket and you can adjust either or. So I just wanted to go through a few things with you guys on the benefits. Now here are the results. The results of this setup are lighter, stronger, and faster. It's lighter due to the usage of the materials and the way it's designed. We do reduce weight, and what that does is increase performance. Now, it is definitely stronger, thicker flange, and better overall design. The dual tapered roller bearings provide a lot of strength, especially when you consider what's considered standard for a Mustang 2. Now take that to our ceramics, and well, you have a serious race setup. Now it's faster. The precision tolerances that we have in our hub assembly relative to a stalker are significant. I mean, we really take the time to blueprint these hub assemblies so that each one you receive in the mail is ready to rock and ready to bolt on. They come to you just like this. There's no assembly. You literally bolt it onto your stock upright with your flange accordingly. That makes it very easy for you. We even press on a rotor adapter to your matching setup. We have them for bare, stock C6, ZR1, or even the Willwood stuff. We can pretty much adapt this to anything. Then we'll go ahead and set your wheel studs for your bolt pattern as well. So you'll receive a component just like this, ready to go and bolt in place. Thank you guys for checking everything out. Just head over to our website, thegmr.com, for more information.